Hello, my dear friends. I am going to tell you Level 8 Microsoft Word-based question with answer. So please watch this video until the end. 1. What is the shortcut key for insert time in Microsoft Word? Answer: Alt plus Shift plus T button. 2. What is the shortcut key to jump from one Word document to another Word document? Answer: Control plus Shift plus F6 function key. 3. How can you break the current column? Answer: Control plus Shift plus Enter. 4. Which option is used for change page size and page margin in Microsoft Word? Answer: Page Setup. 5. What is the shortcut key to open the Open dialog box in Microsoft Word? Answer: Control plus F12 function key. 6. What is the shortcut key for Open Font dialog box? Answer: Control plus D button. 7. What is the shortcut key of left indent? Answer: Control plus M button. 8. What is the shortcut key for manual line break? Answer: Shift plus Enter key. 9. What is the shortcut key for Review tab? Answer: Alt plus R button. 10. What is the shortcut key for Go to Window? Answer: Control plus G button. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it.